So in the previous video, we just saw how to scan a single website or single host using Nmap. And in this video, we'll see how to scan multiple hosts. Let's say suppose you have more than 10 networks in your home, and it might be pretty overwhelming to scan each and every host or each and every network manually. In that case, Nmap will be very useful to scan multiple hosts at the same time. So let's see how it's done. Well, if you want to scan multiple networks all at a time, all you need to do is type in this command into your terminal. Nmap space, well, I'm in 192.168.0.3 range, and enter the networks you want to scan. For instance, I'm going to type this 0.50 space 192.168. 105 and hit enter. And it'll print out anything that is going on through Nmap. And let me clear this up. And if you want to scan the entire subnet, all you need to do is type in this command 192.168.0.0 all the way through to 55 and hit enter. It will take up to 10 minutes to scan entire the subnet, and it's just a little shorthand of it. You can also write 0.*255. It print out the same results. Let me show you some cool thing about Nmap. Before that, let me create some file. So instead of typing manually multiple hosts, you can do this at a time using a file that you want to scan. Type the networks you want to scan and write 192.168.0.52 and let me save it. So now type in this command nmap space I capital L. So what this is input list. It loads your file into the Nmap and hit enter. It'll print out the results, and there we go, we have it. So this is how you can scan multiple hosts using Nmap.